Hello student, topic number 8, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Previous video we learned rules of divisibility. Rules of divisibility. Next video 8.2 factors. 8.2 is a factors. There are some condition. There are some condition is there. Some rules are there. A factor of a number exactly divided by that number, their remainder is always 0. Remainder is 0. Then one is a factor of every number, Third one rule is every number is a factor of itself. Next one, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Next one, every number except one has at least two factors. 1 and number itself. See here, for example, 2 have two factor, 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 3 I have also 1 and 3. 4 I have also 1, 2, 4. See, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 4 1s are 4. Here factor is 1, 2 and 4. 5 I have also 1 and 5. 6 I have also 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Their factor is 1 3 2 3 6. Understand? All of you understand how to come? Now open your textbook, page number 105. Complete the factors of circle number. 8 is a given. 1 8 is 8, 2 4 is 8. Understand? 10. 1 10 is 10, 2 5 is 10. 11. 1 1 11 is 11. 12 have 1 12 is 2 6 and 3 4 is 16 have also 1 16 is 2 8 is 4 4 is 1 20 is 2 10 is 4 5 is. Understand how to write? Next one, G and H is your homework. Understand? Now find the factors by multiplication. One example has been done. 1 14s are 2 7s are 7 2s are 14 1s are. Their factor is 1 2 7 14. Understand? Next one. 1 32s are 2 16s are. Next 4 number 3 number what? 3 plus 2 5. 5 is coming in 3 table? No. So not that 3 is a not factor there. Fourth condition what? If the form last 2 digit 32 is coming in 4 table, 4 8s are 32. Next 5. 5 is their factor, 0 and 5 is coming ones place, not. 6 is factor there, 2 and 3, both factor is there, no. Then next one 8, last 3 digit number, but 32 is coming 8 table na, 8 4s are. Next one 16 2s are and 32 1s are. What is a factor? Factors write in increasing order. 1 2 4 8 16 32. Understand? Next one 38. 1 38s are. 2 19s are. Next 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 11, not coming. 4 table have 38. 4 table have 38. Say the 4 table. No. Then 5 is not there. Then 19 2s are and 31 38 1s are. Write their factor 1 2 19 38. 44. 1 44s are 2 22. 4 11s are 11 4s are. Next one 22 2s are 44 1s are. 1 2 4 11 22 44. Understand? Next one. Find the factors these numbers in your notebook. In your notebook. Open your notebook also. Open your notebook also. See. Question number 3. Write first topic name, page number 106 and question number 3 write there, then write 25. 25, 1 25s are. Next one 5 5s are. Next one 25 coming in any other table? No, 25 1s are. B1 55. 55 1 55s are. 5 11s are. 11 5s are and 51 are. C1 35. 35 1 35s are. 5 7s are. 7 5s are and next one 35 1s are. Understand how to come? All of you understand? D1 also 22. 1 22s are. 2 11s are. Next 11 2s are. 22 1s are. Understand? All of you understand how to come? E to P is your homework. E to P is your homework. Understand? Next one. HCF 8.3. HCF. HCF means, what is the long form? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, we call that short form in HCF. When coming HCF, if any one number have two or more factors is there, you take their same numbers as a factor, same number as their factors, and those factors we call the HCF. See here, 12 and 18 given you. Okay, find the HCF of 12 and 18. How to do? See, how to do the 12 and 18s? First, you write here number, then pairs of factors, and then write factors. Here 12, 1 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are. Okay, 3 4s are. Next one, 4 3s are, 6 2s are, 12 1s are. See here, first one numbers, all these are factors coming now. So write there 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Next one, 18's factor. But here see, 3 4s are, 4 3s are. So there is a shortcut. Both are factor. Here also both are factor. Understand? So you write there only these three. Now here also 1 18s are, 2 9s are. 1 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 6s are. Next one what? 6 3s are, 9 2s are, 18 1s are. Both are a factor, but see here, this completely take, and this one take, and this one also take, means 3 is coming both. This number right here, 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. You write in a increasing order. Now when you want their HCF, that time first what you do? First you take a common factor. Common factors. Which is the common factors is there? See, 1, write there 1. Next one 2, write there 2. Next one 3, write there. 4 is there? No. Next one 6 is right there. Okay. And there highest common factor which? HCF. How to come HCF? All of you know how to come the HCF. Highest, what you call that one? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. How to come? HCF of 12 and 18. HCF of 12 and 18. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. 16 to 16 3 2 3 to the 6 6 6 are 36. HCF of 12 and 36 is there. 36 is there. This is a correct? No. Common factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And what is the highest factor is? 6 is there. Understand? All of you understand? HCF, right there, highest number, right there, highest number. This is the highest number na? In common factor, you write on there. You write on there. Okay? Next one. 6, 12 and 18. 6, 12 and 18. 6 factors which? 3 to the 6. 6 1 sorry 1 6 za 2 3 za 3 2 za also 6 1 za also 12 what 1 12 za 2 6 za 3 4 za 4 3 za 6 2 za 12 1 za 18s 1 18 za 2 9 za 3 6 za and next one 6 3 za 9 2 za 18 1 za. Here common factor which? First write here factors 1 2 3 6. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 6 12. 1 2 3 6 9 12. Which is a common factor? We write here common factors. Common factors 1 2 3 and 6. HCF of 6 12 18 is equal to 6 is there. 6 is there. Understand? All of you understand? Now open your textbook. Find the highest common factor of each numbers. Write here numbers 8 and 12. First on what they want? Pairs of factors. Pairs of factors. 8's pair of factor, which number coming? 1 multiply by 8, 2 4 za, 4 2 za, then 8 1 za, 12, 1 12 za, 2 6 za, 3 4 za, 4 3 za, 6 2 za, and 12 1 za. Factor is there writing 1 2 4 8. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Common factor is there 1 2 and 4. What is the HCF? Right? highest number. 9 and 18. 1 9s are, 3 3s are, 9 1s are. 18 1 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 6s are, 6 3s are, and 18 1s are. Here factor 1 3 9. 1 2 3 6 9 18. Here also write 1 and 3. Common factor 1 3 1 3. Right there HCF of 9 and 18 3. All of you understand now how to do? 15 also. 1 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 3s are. Understand? 15 ones are, 1 20s are, 2 10s are, 4 5s are, 5 4s are, 10 2s are, and 20 1s are. Here factor 1 3 5 15. 1 2 4 5 10 and 20 is there factors. Common factor 1, then 5. 1 and 5. If you circle there, okay? And HCF of 15 and 20, 5 is there. Next one, 6 9 12. 6 1s are, 2 3s are, then 3 2s are, and 6 1s are. 9 1 9s are, 3 3s are, 9 1s are. 12 1 12s are, 2 6s are, 3 4s are, 4 3s are, 6 2s are is there. Then 1 2 3 6. 1 3 9. Then 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Here common factor 1 and 3. HCF there is 3. E1 is your homework. E1 is your homework. Find the highest common factor. This number listing by factors solve in your notebook. That question also write in your notebook. Okay. And question number 2. First one, 9 and 24. 9 and 24. 9's factor is there. 1 9's are, then 3 3's are, then 9 1's are. That also don't write. Okay. 24's. 1 12's are. Next one. 2 12's is coming. 1 24's are. 3 6's are. Next one 6 3's are. Next one 12 2's and 24 1's are. Here factors right here in increasing order. 1 3 and 1 3 and 9, and here 1 2 3 6 and 12 and 24. You write here pairs of factors. Pairs of factor. Here write factors. Here write factors. Here write common factor. Here write common factor. And here write HCF. Here write HCF. Here common factor which? 1 and 3. And answer is 3. Answer is 3. Understand? D is also a solve here. D is also a solve here. Okay. B and C is your homework. B and C is your homework. Thank you.